Dr. Marik's attorney says they're still reviewing their options following the ruling, but is not getting more specific than that. In this case, adding to the nationwide debate over ivermectin and COVID-19 patients.
A judge may have ruled against Dr. Paul Marik and his efforts to be able to immediately prescribe ivermectin at Sentara Norfolk General Hospital, but his attorney says their legal fight is not over. The attorney telling News 3, quote, "Obviously, case itself is not over, but we are weighing our options in regard to the motion for injunction." The attorney did not elaborate on what those options could be, but said they hope to make a decision soon. The judge issuing his ruling late Tuesday, saying Marik did not, quote, "identify a specific patient who would have been immediately impacted by the ruling," and that Marik's argument overstepped Virginia law about when a doctor can overrule a hospital's guidelines and prescribe, quote, "alternative treatments." The case can now move forward for a civil trial. Marik's attorney also says his client has been suspended from hospital privileges at Sentara Norfolk. The case drawing national attention and bringing attention to a nationwide debate over the use of ivermectin to treat COVID-19 patients. In other states, lawsuits have been brought forward by patients or their families themselves seeking ivermectin to treat them for COVID. In Texas, a patient's wife sued a hospital over the use of ivermectin for her husband. An appeals court later ruled against the wife, saying the courts could not tell hospitals what to prescribe. A similar ruling happened over the summer in Ohio. And studies are continuing into the use of ivermectin to treat COVID-19. Vanderbilt University in Tennessee among the latest to study whether it's an effective treatment.
It's really going to help us advance science and our understanding for the treatment of COVID-19.
And so still a lot of moving parts with all of this. As of right now, the case is due back in court in February. In Norfolk, Brendan Ponton, News 3.